Okay, today I'm working on Ford Focus clutch master cylinder. Yeah, I've got the panel off. It's on the side. Now I've got nice access, clear access to get to the bolts. Okay. I'm using a long extension with 13mm socket. Okay, the first one is on the top, right there. Let's get this one off. Okay, the second one is right there. Third one is on the side. Okay, now the paddle is ready to come off. I'm hoping. Okay. Let's get the paddle off. It's a bit stuck in the wiring. Let's get rid of the wiring. There you go. Okay, let's change this. Okay, to remove clutch master cylinder, just turn it sideways and pull it out.